Akubabone wena murena unsilise babone hle wena Mesia akubabone wena murena ubabana babasha hey upilobaka empaka Jehovah kana ya pelangu kiri likhale bakiki baluka kabupilobaka. Timeless hymns and worship. Hello. This is Marian Maketi all the way from Lesotho. I just want to welcome you to my first episode where we talk about everything worship and everything that is concerning timeless hymns and worship. So make sure that you don't go anywhere because we have epic episodes for you. You will enjoy the time with us where we shall be worshiping God, the time when we shall be singing hymns. Like you can hear the sound from this epic sound from my original song called Akubabone Morena. So make sure that you don't go anywhere because man, Akubabone, hey, Morena waka, Akubabone. Make sure that you don't go anywhere because man, you're going to enjoy this epic time with Mariana Maketi on timeless hymns and worship. Until next time, man. Whoa, make sure that before you go, man, you press like and you press subscribe, man. Because when you subscribe to timeless hymns and worship, you are giving us an opportunity to grow. So I want to grow with you. I want to hear what you are doing at this time of the year. Because man, it is Christmas, man. So how is Christmas time? How is it on your side? I want to hear what you can say about it. Because wow, man. In my studio, in my office, in my apartment, in my room, man, I am enjoying. Can you hear the sound of the Make sure that you don't leave this channel without subscribing. Until next time, bye-bye.